On my screen, I have an 11-page document, and this document has several headings. I went to view the headings by clicking on the View tab and click Navigation pane, and over here it shows me the headings that are in my document. Now, instead of having to scroll through the document and eyeball and make sure we don't have a situation where a heading starts towards the bottom of a page, wouldn't it be nice to just tell Microsoft Word to automatically insert a page break above each heading? Well, there is a way to do it. If you click on the Home tab, in the Styles group, you would select that particular heading style. So in this case, this is a heading 1. And you go ahead and modify it by right-clicking and left-clicking on Modify. When you get to the Modify Style dialog box, what you want to do is look towards the bottom of that dialog box, click on Format, and click Paragraph. And this brings up the Paragraph dialog box. On this dialog box, you want to click the tab that says Line and Page Breaks. And once you've done that, you put a check mark next to Page Break Before, click OK again. And now, let's go ahead and view our document. I'm going to go back to View Navigation pane so that I can quickly go from heading to heading. And notice that when I go to the second heading, it automatically starts at the top of a page. And this continues throughout the document. So that's the quick and easy way to make sure that Microsoft Word automatically inserts a page break above a particular heading. This is not limited to heading 1. We could have done this for level 2 headings or level 3 headings, just whatever makes sense for the document that you're creating.